Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to make DIY Shrinky-Dink keychains. You'll need Sharpie markers, number 6 plastic container. Normally you get this with your salad container, pre-cut food container from the grocery stores. First, cut off the corners to have a flat surface. Plain plastic without any patterns will be great for this DIY. Second, draw on the plastic. Here are some ideas. You can freehand draw onto the plastic. Here, my son is drawing dinosaur. Outline with black marker and color it. You can also trace it, tape down the plastic onto the print of your choice, outline and color with Sharpie markers. My children had a great time doing this DIY, especially now with us being under a state of emergency with lockdown order. This DIY is a great way to keep the little ones entertained. Other ideas are writing your name or even making a handprint with acrylic paint for Mother's Day. The handprint didn't turn out well. The plastic used here has patterns on it, so if you make a handprint, use the plain plastic without any patterns. Outline with black marker on the handprint, cut off any excess that you don't need. Here are two of the handprints, so yeah, use a plain plastic without any patterns. Before we pop these babies into the oven, cut off any excess you don't need and make a hole with a punch holder. Next, make a tray with aluminum foil and parchment paper. Finally, pop it into the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes on the bottom rack of the oven. Once you take it out of the oven, see those that have curled up, flatten it with the bottom of a cup or spatula if needed. Insert the keyring and voila, your fun little DIY Shrinky-Dink keychain. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to watch this video on how to make the easiest piñata out of carton box. Watch my other videos. Until then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.